Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a game pass on Roblox. First of all, we have to go to roblox.com. Now you have to click on this create tab. If you are on phone, open browser and just open it as a desktop version and now go to in create. It will take you to the creator hub and now you have to click on default experience. Just click on it. The experience that you have not created, now you have to go to a menu and choose associated items. In associated items you will find passes, so just click on this passes option, and now you have to click on this create a. In create a pass you just need to click on this change to change the image of the game pass. This is a default image, and now you can enter the name of the game pass here, so anything you want. So let's enter it here, demo 01. Now you have to enter the name description, enter description here, and now you have to click on this create button. Your game pass will be created, but it is not yet done, so you just need to click on the newly created game pass to configure it, and now you have to click on sale to enable it for sale. So just click on this in toggle button and enter the cost of the price of all of the game pass. So I'm gonna name it enter as 50. So I'll get 35 as creator gets only 70%. Just click on save changes. Now it's done, guys. You just need to open a please donate and enter list your game pass there. If someone purchases your game pass, you will get uh 70% out of it. So yeah, that's how you can get it. That's how you can make your game pass or create a game pass on Roblox. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.